Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore edited files in Google Docs. So I have a file here in Google Docs and I want to restore the previous edit or previous version of the file. So what you need to do, you'll find the version history of the file. So you can just click on open version history right here, and then here at the right panel, this is the edits that you've made on the file. So if you want to restore to the version or to the files before, you can just click on the version, and then here you'll find at the blue button restore this version. Just click on that and click on restore, and now the edited files will be restored. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can restore edited version or edited files in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please consider to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.